Bitget Wallet versus MetaMask, which crypto wallet wins? Choosing the right crypto wallet can completely change how you manage your digital assets without risking security or convenience. Both Bitget Wallet and MetaMask offer unique features for crypto users. Bitget Wallet and MetaMask are two popular crypto wallets designed to store and manage cryptocurrencies. The core difference lies in Bitget Wallet's integration with trading features, while MetaMask focuses on decentralized app access and Ethereum-based asset management. Bitget Wallet is a multi-chain crypto wallet developed by Bitget, a leading crypto exchange. It offers secure storage for various cryptocurrencies while seamlessly integrating with Bitget's trading platform. Users can manage assets, execute trades, and participate in DeFi activities directly through the wallet interface. Bitget Wallet supports multiple blockchains, making it versatile for users holding diverse tokens. Its strengths include robust security protocols, user-friendly design, and direct access to Bitget's exchange services, which streamlines trading without transferring funds externally. However, its close ties to the Bitget ecosystem can limit flexibility for users wanting a purely independent wallet experience. The wallet is ideal for active traders and users who prefer an all-in-one solution combining asset management and trading. Beginners benefit from its intuitive interface, but those seeking extensive dApp compatibility might find it less comprehensive compared to alternatives. MetaMask is a widely used Ethereum-based crypto wallet that also supports multiple blockchains through custom networks. It functions as a browser extension and mobile app, enabling users to store cryptocurrencies, interact with decentralized applications, and manage digital identities securely. MetaMask excels in providing seamless access to the Ethereum ecosystem, including DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and token swaps. Its open-source nature and wide adoption make it a trusted choice for users prioritizing decentralization and dApp compatibility. Strengths include extensive network support, strong security features like seed phrase backup, and a large user community. Limitations involve a steeper learning curve for beginners and less direct integration with centralized exchanges, requiring manual transfers for trading. MetaMask suits users who want flexibility and control over their crypto assets, especially those engaged in decentralized finance and blockchain applications beyond trading. Comparing Bitget Wallet and MetaMask highlights different user priorities. Bitget Wallet integrates trading and asset management, ideal for users who want quick exchange access and a simplified experience within one platform. For example, an active trader looking to switch between tokens and markets benefits from Bitget's streamlined workflow. On the other hand, MetaMask offers superior compatibility with decentralized apps and Ethereum-based tokens, making it the preferred choice for users focused on DeFi protocols, NFTs, and blockchain projects. MetaMask's open ecosystem supports a broader range of activities but requires more manual management when trading on centralized exchanges. The trade-off comes down to convenience versus flexibility. Bitget Wallet is better for integrated trading and ease of use, while MetaMask excels in decentralized application access and customization. Choose Bitget Wallet if you prioritize integrated trading features and a user-friendly interface that connects directly to a leading crypto exchange. MetaMask is the best option for users who want broad decentralized app access and control over Ethereum-based assets. It's ideal for those engaged deeply in DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain ecosystems beyond just trading. Pick the wallet that fits your crypto lifestyle.